Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. My name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also a trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years. I'm happily married with a loving wife and I have an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So how are you all been doing? Welcome back once again to this live feed and as we all cheer and wave out to everyone, yes, there is a bit of bullishness back into the system, right? Lot of bullishness, lot of enthusiasm, and all of us are trying to smile once again. And as we are trying to understand how markets are behaving, how markets are reacting, how we are positioned, हमारी सोच क्या है, मार्केट की सोच क्या है, इसके तालमेल में हम देखते हैं कि आज क्या करना है. ओके, good to see all of you. Hi everyone. Yes, entrepreneur Chiman, Saurabh, let me just wave out to all of you guys. Rishikesh, all of my regular attendees in Market Ki Baatein, welcome. So today's question, as we all know, I believe some of you have seen it. I want you guys to answer them, right? So today's question is there some recovery seen in the power sector? I decided to take some other sector, not the standard sectors which we discuss. Well, we had discussed something about IT. We will discuss something about pharma as well. We'll discuss about all the sectors, but I thought let us just try and understand. Suddenly you are seeing some buzz in the power sector, and all of us are always interested to invest into different sectors. And today I thought, why not look at the power sector? And if we were to look at the power sector per se, which stock would you like to invest in? First, is it NTPC? Is it CESC? Is it Adani Power? Or is it Torrent Power or Adani Power? So NTPC, CESC, Adani Power, Power Grid and Torrent Power. So do you guys have any investment out there, or do you guys still hold any investment out there, or do you want to invest in these stocks, or do you even bother to invest in the power sector stocks? So what is your take? Do you guys are tracking the power sector? Are you looking to invest into the power sector? So what are you guys up to? Do you guys invest into the power sector? Have you been tracking the moves lately in the power sector? Especially if you have been tracking the moves in NTPC, there is some good movement seen in NTPC. There are also rumors of some buyback which is floating around, and the buyback level is somewhere around 120 levels. So but it's not out into the open, but yes, so levels around 120 is being recommended. And if you see the weekly charts, NTPC after its long phase of decline has shown some bit of bullishness, and the way the bullishness is seen, we can definitely see that yes, NTPC is steadily making an attempt to recover after a good move yesterday. Today of course it had taken some breather, बट इसमें भी अभी भी जान है. एंड आई फील कि आप अगर इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे पावर सेक्टर में तो एनटीपीसी इज वन सच स्टॉक. और जो अदर स्टॉक्स जो मैंने सजेस्ट किया था, जस्ट टू टेक अ व्यू फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, वी हैड सीएससी, अदानी पावर, पावर ग्रिड, टोरेंट पावर. सो इन स्टॉक्स में से अगर आप सीएससी और अदानी पावर की चार्ट्स देखेंगे तो हायर टाइम फ्रेम में एक जो इनिशियल रैली आई थी मार्केट में, उसके बाद द प्राइसेस हैव एक्चुअली स्टैग्नेटेड. सो उसकी वजह से जो मोमेंटम चाहिए प्राइसेस में वो हमें दिख नहीं पा रही है. और उसकी वजह से मेरा सजेशन ये होगा कि सीएससी या अदानी पावर में ट्रेडिंग या निवेश करना इस मुकाम पर उचित नहीं है. उससे अच्छा है कि आप देख लीजिए टोरेंट पावर का चार्ट. टोरेंट पावर का चार्ट भी बढ़िया है. 350 के स्तर पर उधर थोड़ी सप्लाई आ रही है, तो सप्लाई को देखते हुए मुझे लगता है कि प्रॉफिट बुकिंग पे नीचे के लेवल पे आएगी, तो अराउंड 310 या 315 के एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है वहाँ पे. सो यू कैन टेक अ लुक एट दैट stock at those levels. NTPC continues to be a good buy opportunity here. It has already given a good pullback और उसमें अच्छी खासी momentum चल रही है. तो amongst the power sector which I have suggested, already 2 stocks are showing some movement. वो है NTPC और दूसरा है Torrent Power. NTPC में अब भी काफ़ी स्कोप है और इसमें जो टोरेंट पावर में अभी एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग का एक अच्छा संकेत दिख रहा है हमें. एंड व्हाट वी नीड टू सी इज आउट ऑफ द स्टॉक्स विच वी हैव सेड, देयर इज वन मोर स्टॉक विच आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर, विच इज पावर ग्रिड. एंड पावर ग्रिड, इफ यू टेक अ लुक एट इट, सो समवेयर इन द रीजन ऑफ अराउंड 185, अगर 185 के ऊपर इफ पावर ग्रिड वेयर टू मूव, यू कुड सी अ गुड ट्रैक्शन टू द अपसाइड. It is looking set and it is trying to test that resistance, and when it crosses the 185 level, it could be a good area to watch out for. So yes, markets are positive, and yes, Anish, the resistances have been broken, and those who have, if you have not watched my video on the market analysis, I had very clearly indicated yesterday. You could go down and take a look at chart advice profits for you. I had analyzed the markets yesterday, and the markets played out very, very well. I had identified the key support levels on the Nifty, on the Bank Nifty, and also the Nifty IT. And I had said in particular that yes, why the Nifty IT will continue to do well. And I had also said that Bank Nifty could be play a very, very important role, and it played out perfectly today. And it moved in line with the analysis which I had shared. If you just want to take a look at it, you can take a look at that. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube so that you will continue to get such important updates. You will also get an insight on how the indices are placed, because I truly feel that if you have an overall view about the market, you will always be able to participate in a much better level. So that's what I wanted to share, and I feel that yes, power sector is showing some momentum here. There is lot of Make in India push going on, and lot of benefits are being given to the power sector. So all that will help the markets revive, and also this particular sector also revive. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you got any question on the power sector, you could type in on the chat box, and we can discuss, we can debate, and we can come to a conclusion and what's really happening. As far as I see the charts, overall charts, I feel the charts of there is another chart stock name which I didn't mention, which is NV Ventures. That stock is also doing well, and with the markets getting better, we can see that yes, these are some names which you can note down and track them for your trading or investment. Yes, some of you are here and are discussing, debating, wanting to invest into power sector. So have you guys have some of you already invested into the power sector, or which sectors do you prefer to? So which sector should we take next week? So for Thursday, I'll be coming up with the stop loss series. You can join me on Thursday, same time. We'll be having the stop loss series. You can connect with me at the same time. But we are going to be discussing some sector specific action on the next Tuesday. So which sector would you vote for? Which sectors do you guys vote for? Let's try and understand which sector is the favorite right now amongst the crowd. Which sector would you want to do? You want to do IT? You want to do auto? You want to do metals? Let's have a list, and all of you guys can participate by saying that yes, this is the particular stock from this sector. and this is what I have been holding. If any of you guys are holding, say, metal, then you can say, if there is a vote for metal, then we will go for metal. Yes, good. Olachalam is voting for auto. So auto to be discussed in the next week, and the potential stocks from the auto to be discussed in the next week. That's what is his vote. Well, as a full-time trader, the percentage of return which you can expect, is unending. Okay, there is no limit to how much of return you can expect. But then if I want to go down to least, you can target. It may sound funny at first, but then even if you are able to generate a return, a net return, okay, net of cost, just do the compounding on a day-to-day basis, you will see that yes, you are able to generate a decent return of income. I'm saying something as low as 1%, 1% of your capital per day. If you can do that consistently for at least 1 year, minimum 1 year, then you know that yes, you have got all the elements right, you have got all the necessary ingredients right. The main ingredient is here. If that is not working, फिर आपका तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तो पहले आपको आपका माइंडसेट ठीक करना है और फिर आपको आगे जाना है, राइट? So okay friends, I think that this is what I wanted to share. If you got any questions on the power sector, then I will be happy to answer your query right now. Otherwise, we have come to an end of today's session. I hope you found some insight into the power sector, and you could track these stocks. Yes, there will be a separate series where I will discuss on your particular question, Saurabh, on how to overcome fear of loss. I will share with you some pointers also in that particular series. So I'll be coming up with various kinds of series. So stay connected to our handle. The Market Ki Baatein is a 10 to 15 minute capsule where I discuss with you guys about one particular theme. There is a theme for every session. So when the theme is shared, do think about the theme and then come down to the chat, so that it makes it very interesting, and also you will also get certain pointers about overcoming fear of loss. There are certain ways which I will highlight, and it will be coming up in the further episodes. So do stay connected, because you are going to get value with every Market Ki Baatein episode. All right. Okay, then I'll sign out now. फिर मिलेंगे on Thursday with the stop loss series, and do stay connected, because I am going to be discussing in the stop loss series in this week as to what are the types of stop loss which you need to set as part of your trading or investing. That's going to be the discussion on the Thursday. So stay connected and stay tuned. We'll catch up and we will be discussing on this particular element. See you then. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.